how to activate restricted mode on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to activate restricted mode on YouTube to filter out mature or inappropriate content. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on your profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And from there, you can simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the settings section, simply tap on the option labeled General. Now here, simply locate the restricted mode and toggle the switch on. And if prompted, simply enter your password for verification. And now the restricted mode is active. It will filter out sensitive content for a safer browsing experience. And that's it. Now you know how to activate restricted mode on YouTube. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.